Hey guys, welcome to Charlie Talks Tech, and today we are going to talk about ultrapixel technology, a term coined by HTC to show their cameras in better light as compared to other camera-centric smartphones. So what ultrapixel technology is? और ये है क्या? मैं ये वीडियो इंग्लिश और हिंदी दोनों में बनाने वाला हूँ so that आपको ये समझने में आसानी हो. So what ultrapixel technology actually is? It's nothing like revolutionary. It's a concept where you put a particular number of pixels, megapixels or ultrapixels rather, on a sensor size which is actually smaller than other cameras. For example, HTC One के पास 1/3 inch sensor था and it had a 4 megapixel camera or a 4 ultrapixel camera. उसी comparison में Nokia 920 also had a 1/3 inch sensor and an 8.7 megapixel camera, I guess. So naturally people will think Nokia 920 has a better camera, but actually that is not the true thing. In this concept, HTC Ultrapixel has bigger pixel size. The camera has a bigger pixel size as compared to its megapixel counterparts. So in HTC's ultrapixel technology, the sensor size might be same. Okay, the sensor size might be same, but the lesser number of pixels or megapixels are compensated by the bigger pixel areas. Similarly, for the same amount, for the same sensor size, HTC One had a 2 micrometer pixel size and Nokia 920 had a 1.4 micrometer pixel size. Naturally, उसे क्या होता है? In that case, HTC One gathers more light from a particular source as compared to Nokia's 920. So what are the benefits of ultrapixel technology? I already answered it. Low light photography automatically becomes better because the particular bigger sensor size gathers in more light as compared to the smaller pixel size. The same example you can take for HTC's U Ultra and Nokia 8, both flagship phones which have recently been launched, one by Nokia and one by HTC. In HTC U Ultra, you get a 1/2.3 inch sensor and a 12 MP ultrapixel unit. Similarly, in Nokia, you get 1/1.83 inch sensor and a 12 MP Carl Zeiss optics lens. I will be explaining Carl Zeiss in my next video. That's a very good thing to talk about. It's an idea which I just got. So same here, HTC's pixel size is 1.55 micrometer as compared to Nokia 8, which is having a 1.4, 1.3.6, 1.36 micrometer pixel size. So naturally, HTC's U Ultra will be gathering more light and the low light performances will be better as compared to Nokia 8. So this is what ultrapixel technology is all about. It actually dissolves the myth. There's एक myth है स्मार्टफोन इंडस्ट्री में कि जितना ज्यादा मेगापिक्सल होगा उतना फोन बेटर होगा कैमरा के मामले में, बट ऐसा नहीं है. अगर ऐसा होता तो आईफोन 5s के 8 MP के कैमरा माइक्रोमैक्स के 16 MP कैमरा से बेटर नहीं होते. So megapixel is not everything. That concept of ultrapixel technology actually proves the same because ultrapixel technology aims at putting lesser megapixels in a particular sensor area but with bigger pixel size just to gather in more light. So what are the benefits? The benefits are that low light performances will be great. A lot of light will enter, a lot of photons will enter. Image कैसे बनता है? Like अगर एक ये pixel size होता है बड़ा, a lot more number of photons will enter photodiodes के through और अच्छा डेटा एंड अच्छा इमेज बनेगा, क्लियरर इमेज. सो दी हाई आईएसओ सेंसिटिविटी. हाई आईएसओ क्या होता है? जिसमें आपकी लाइट बहुत ज्यादा अंदर घुसती है. आईएसओ सेंसिटिविटी, लो आईएसओ सेंसिटिविटी इमेज अच्छा बनता है. इमेज इज एक्चुअली विदाउट नॉइज एंड ग्रेन, बट द लाइट विच गोज इनसाइड इज लेस. But higher ISO performances are guaranteed with ultrapixel camera units because even the image quality will be good and less and more amount of light will automatically enter without having to turn on the flash. Or lastly, the benefit is that there is a better dynamic range when it comes to ultrapixel camera units. I will be explaining about dynamic range, ISO, everything in my next video, the photography section. Watch out for that playlist. So this is what an ultrapixel camera unit is all about. And there are disadvantages also, a small disadvantage that if you look to crop an ultrapixel image, the quality becomes very bad because the image output is very low. You know why? Because a lot of photon is coming, lot of data is coming, lot of light is coming into the sensor. So the overall output resolution is very less. So when you crop the image, which actually gets distorted, which जो कि मेगापिक्सल के मामले में नहीं होता है. This is what the fact is all about. So ultra pixel camera is not a very new concept, but HTC has actually implemented it perfectly. So this video is all about ultra pixel technology, and the HTC's recent ultra pixel 2 technology has been introduced in HTC U Ultra, which aims at making the pixel size even bigger and more efficient in gathering light. So it's better than ultra pixel 1.0 technology. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe to this channel. There will be a new video tomorrow regarding Carl Zeiss Optics, what Carl Zeiss Optics is, and we'll also be talking about some dynamic range and certain ISO based concept for the amateur photographers. So stay tuned for tomorrow, friends. Till then, stay informed.